As the church submits to Christ, so also wives should submit in everything to their husbands. Husbands, love your wives as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her, that he might sanctify her, having cleansed her by the washing of water with the word, so that he might present the church to himself in splendor.
Joy, Arlene, Jack, I love you. And I am beyond excited to live a life with you. I want to be your husband so that we may serve Christ together through all of the uncertainties and trials of the present and future.
To me, but it won't mean a thing, 'cause words never sound quite right. Let's find our own kind of language. We have searched.
I promise to always pray for you, to affirm you, to support you in your coffee addictions, to laugh with you, and to love God first, and put him at the center of our marriage so I can love you to the best of my ability. And I promise to always choose you. You are the most amazing person I know. I am beyond excited to start this new journey with you, to build a home with you, to have a family with you, to travel this world with you, grow old with you, and to serve God with you. I love you with all my heart, and I commit to you as your wife to have and to hold you as my husband from this day forward, above all else, till death do us part.
I promise to be faithful to you and to love you. I promise to love you for eternity and to trust you with our finances, because we both are really good at that. I promise to always put you first, even when you watch The Bachelorette without me, which is often. I promise to take cute Instagram-worthy photos of you once requested, but most importantly, I promise to guide and protect you as Christ does in his church, as long as we both shall live. Let's do this thing. I love you and always will.
Now that Sage and Joy have given themselves to each other by solemn vows before God and before us as witnesses, and have shown their affection and trust by the giving and receiving of rings, by the power vested in me by God as a minister of the Lord Jesus Christ, and according to the laws of the state of Oregon, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Sage, you may kiss your bride.
Let's go!
I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Sage Sabrina.
Let's go!
Dressed like that, how could